Aloha. What we're going to cover today is how to add an item to your menu system. And what we're going to add is really just a simple page that you created. So I'm assuming that you've already watched how to create an article or how to edit an article. Yeah, I guess I'll show you how to create an article, but make sure you watch how to edit an article and also the most important rule about Joomla. There's 2 videos there. Those are important. And let's close this, and I'm just going to create a new article. So let's go new. I'm going to give it a name. New article name. I'm going to select a section. I'll just put it in the support section for now. We'll call it. Actually, you know what we'll do? We'll put it in the about section for now. That's fine. And I'll just type in some text, and we'll let all this other stuff be at default. This is just so I can show you how this works. So I'm going to save. And let's see, new article name right here. That's my article I created. So now I want to add an item to the menu system. Let's look at the front end about where it's going to go. So if we go to portfolio, you can see my menu system over here. There's home, portfolio, about, team, and quite a few other ones. So I'm going to add an item over here that will link to the new article I just created. So typically this is your main menu. Most sites have a main menu. You may have more than one, but your main menu is, or sometimes it's the top menu. You'll know which one is the correct one you need to add it to. I'm going into my main menu, and here you can see the list of items I have in my menu system: home, portfolio, about, team, just like we saw right here. So I want to add a new one. Well, we go to this green button, we click new. There's a lot of things you can add in here, but for purposes of keeping it simple, let's just add an article. If you ever need to do anything more than that, I suggest giving me a call, because sometimes it can get a little complicated. But articles, we click articles, and then we have a lot of options. What we want to choose here is article layout. And this will point to one single page that you just created. So we will call this new article test. We're going to leave, let's see, this, you don't have to do a lot of things here. You can leave this as it is, blank. You don't have to touch this. It won't let you change this. We've already said we want to put it in the main menu, so you don't have to change that. If you want it to be a sub-menu then of home, then we could do that. I'll show you how that works in a minute. But what we'll do is keep this at top. All the rest of this, you just leave it as it is. For most cases, you won't need to change anything. Parameters, you can leave that as it is. What you want to do here, though, is select your article. So you click the select button. Up comes your list. Sometimes if you've got a lot of articles, maybe 40, 50, 60, 100 or so, you can narrow it down by selecting a category over here. And then we've got just the things in the about category. That's where I put this article, so I'm going to select it, and I'm going to hit save. And now it added it in down here. If I need to change the order of this, there's 2 ways I can do that. You can see an order here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. I can literally change this to whatever order I want, and then I click this little icon up here which says save order, and I save. Or what I can do is use these green buttons to maybe move. If I just want to make a little bit of a move, it's probably the easiest to just do the little green buttons, which can move it up and down. So let's do that. And we will reload our page here. And there it is, new article test. We click it, and it takes us to new article name, blah, 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 blah. And of course, that's pretty much how simple it is. If you've got any questions, you can go to my website, andrewricedesign.com, and go to the contact page. It is right here. And you can use that to send me a message. Okay, great. Hopefully that's helpful for you. Thanks.